Hi Brett. I'm going to show you how to solve the question that hung us up in our last session. McGraw-Hill 6 SAT Practice Tests, 4th edition, page 134, question number 18. But before we do that, I'd like to show you a generic example which will give us a principle to solve the problem. Now, a simple way to solve this is to find a common denominator for these three terms. And one way to do that is to simply multiply the three denominators together. Now it's a matter of distribution. So you notice these terms are going to cancel each other out, leaving us with 54x. Now again, these terms are going to cancel out, leaving us with 27. Again, these terms will cancel each other out, leaving us with 18. And from here, it's just a matter of algebra that I'm confident you'll be able to handle. This leaves us with a value of 5/6 equals x. Now for problem number 18. The first thing we're going to do is simply factor this polynomial. Next, we're going to factor out a 4 from this polynomial. Now at this point, you can see that the three denominators of the three fractions have three polynomials in common: x plus 3, x minus 3, and 4. So similar to our generic example, we are going to multiply these three factors to both sides of our equation. Now we're going to apply the distributive property, and you'll notice that this term will cancel this term will cancel this term, simply leaving us with 4x. Again, after distribution, we notice that this term, x plus 3, is going to cancel this term, x plus 3, leaving us with and finally, we notice that this term 4 will cancel with this term 4, and this term x minus 3 will cancel with this term x minus 3, leaving us with x plus 3. Now from here, it's a matter of straightforward algebra, which I'm confident you're able to handle. If you ended up with 9 equals x, then we've got the solution to this problem. Hi Brett. Now I'm going to help you solve another problem that hung us up with our last session. Taken from McGraw-Hill Education 6 SAT Practice Tests, 4th edition, page 64, question number 29. So what I did to start question number 29 was simply to write the equation for the average of A and B, the average of B and C, and the average of A and C. From here, we're simply going to multiply each equation by the denominator 2.